My name's Aryan and I'm an aerospace engineer. For me, planes and aviation have always been something that's been a big part of my life and something I've always been interested in.
My name is Boris and I'm a mechanical engineering student. I had my internship in Germany, in Dresden, in the summer of 2024.
It's an exchange between the TU Dresden and the Bristol Composites Institute, as they're both leading researchers in the composites manufacturing field.
It's basically a research internship. They integrate you within some small research team or they assign you a supervisor, and basically you get started with different tasks.
I was there for 10 weeks, and for me it consisted of a lot of research into a specific type of carbon fiber. I thought it was really daunting at first. It was like getting the keys to a car, right? But I don't have a license yet, kind of thing. So I was just trying to figure it out as I was going. It was quite cool to be pushed outside the bounds of just being taught content and doing stuff in class. Really enjoyed it.
My name is Lucas and I'm studying aerospace engineering. We get to actually have some hands-on experience using some of these machines that you would only come across through papers.
My work wasn't as much of using equipment in the lab, it was more design work. However, to get the necessary context to do the design work, I had to familiarize myself with a lot of machinery. My task was designing a new solution for a braiding wheel.
Me and Lucas knew each other beforehand, but Boris I'd met only a couple times.
I think we have a really good time bonding with each other.
We were all living in the same student accommodation.
We pretty much hung out almost every day for summer.
And it was actually a really nice experience to have two friends there in Dresden with me.
We did quite a few trips outside of Dresden. There's a beautiful nature reserve.
We went to Berlin, we went to Prague. The thing that surprised me most about Dresden was the city itself. The people, the culture, it was very lovely. You don't really need to study or understand German to apply for this internship.
The internship is entirely in English and lots of people in Germany speak English, so you'll find your way around.
Definitely take the opportunity if you're able to.
Don't hesitate.
It's an amazing experience and you'll gain a lot from it.